Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by spreadsheets? Want to turn raw data into stunning visuals and insightful analysis? Join us for a step-by-step guide that will demystify Google Sheets. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Google Sheets for tutorial. First of all, you have just to dive into workspace.google.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So we have just to click over login and you will find this page, and we have here, for example, choose the template that you want. We have a to-do list, attendance, monthly budget, annual budget. For example, we have a to-do list. As you can see, for example, here I will just delete all this. And I will just put this one and I will copy it here. As you can see. As you can see, then I will just click over here and I will, as you can see. So this is it. If you want to write, for example, click over double click and write, for example, something here. Then we have other one. And once you did, you click over it, and this is how it works. Then this is for this template, and let's move on to the next one. We have, for example, you'd offer niche like project management, education, invoice work. We have also here personal, invoice, project management, and education. For example, this one. We have here to Monday, Tuesday. You can just modify it. For example, if you don't, you can just select the thing that you don't want. As you can see. And then if you want to get started, you click over blank spreadsheet and you will find this page. As you can see here, first of all, you have just to write your title. For example, right here title. Then if you want to just make it important or star, then we have here also. If you want to just share it in Drive, or you can post it start here or location, and then you click over remove. Then we have also here turn on. This document is not ready for online use. Then, for example, also if you want to add other one, you click over here and you add it. If you want to delete this one, you click over here and you delete it, or you can duplicate it, copy to, or rename it. You change the color also, product sheet and height sheet also. For example, I will delete it. Then we have this one. So you have just right now to modify all these things. If you want to select all these things, you click over here. If you want to select this one, you click over here. If you want to select this one, you click over here. As you can see. Then we have here also other options like file, as you can see. And we have here edit, for example, view, as you can see. We have insert also. We have format here, data, and we have tools also, extension, and we have help. Then we have also here search the menus, endo, redo, then we have print, pen format, so select here, and we have also here if you want here format as currency, format as percent. Then we have here decrease decimal, increase decimal places, more formats, and we have fonts, font size, for example, select here like that, and I will put it here and like that. Then if you want here bold, italic, strike through, text color, select for example this one. We have borders here, matrix cells, alignment also, and we have your vertical align, text wrapping, text rotation, and other things here. For example, I will write here one. I'll just click over enter, and I will just add all these templates. In this case, I mean, they will click over enter. So as you can see, we'll just do like that. Then we'll click over. So this is it. And for example, for this one, go to. Then I will select here 3, for example. Then we have here 4. For example, here, if you want the title here, you click over 2 and you add the size. The size of the column. Then, for example, if you want to minimize this one, here we have it. And for example, this one, I will put $1 here. I will just click over 1, or I will just select first of all here, and I will write 1. Then we have it. I will write 2. Then write here 3, as you can see. And I will write here 4. For example, I will just select again here 4, and this is it. I will add, for example, here I want, in this case, I want here the sum. So I will click over sum, and I will select this, and I will click over enter. So we have here the sum, and if you modify it, for example, this for 2, and you click over enter, and you will find here is modified. And about this one, I will just select in the cases, and I will write here, click over here, and I will select average. For example, I will select all this, and I will click over enter. And the same, if you modify it, for example, this one for 4, click over enter. Here we have it. Then we have this one. I will select, for example, country. As you can see, I will select this, and I will click over enter. And for example, this one, we have here this. I will select, for example, max. I will select all this. I will click over enter. So as you can see, you can just get started. I will show you in the next steps how you can do that. So this is it. I will delete this one. I'll just click over delete, and I will click over OK. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.